Now talk about Keralam now with the former Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, who has launched an attack on the Congress over the student protests, accusing the party of adopting a hypocritical stand. Vijayan has now alleged that the UDF government in Keralam has now filed criminal cases against nearly 5,000 protesters who had demonstrated in support of the students' agitation in Jantar Mantar. He claimed that while the cases related to the movement are being withdrawn at the centre, Keralam, as far as when it comes to Congress leading the party, has continued to pursue them. Targeting Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, Pinarayi Vijayan has challenged him to ensure the withdrawal of these cases and questioned whether democracy can have any different standards, whether be in Delhi or Kerala. Well, Arpita is with us right now. Arpita, now are there different standards that follow in different states? Because if I remember correctly, when Rahul Gandhi was protesting outside the Prime Minister's residence, the Chief Minister of Kerala was also present there.
Well, yes, Amita rightly said, when Rahul Gandhi was protesting outside PM's residence, Chief Minister V.D. Satishan, who had gone there to meet several top leaders, were also part of that protest. So now the leader of opposition, who's also the former Chief Minister, that is Pinarayi Vijayan, has hit out at the Congress saying that, well, Centre has agreed to withdraw the cases of students who were protesting against the NEET paper leak. In Kerala, there are about 5,000 cases that have been registered. There were protests across Kerala in different parts of Kerala, that is Kozhikode, Kochi, where students were protesting. So there are about 5,000 cases registered. So Pinarayi Vijayan is questioning that why has those cases not been withdrawn? And he's saying that Congress is, this is a hypocritical move by the Congress, because on one hand, they were protesting that they should protect the students who were protesting. But here in Kerala, where UDF is governing, where it is the Congress government, there it is a different stand. And he has also written a letter to the Chief Minister saying that immediately the cases should be withdrawn against whom whom the cases have been registered. The Chief Minister has responded saying that we have received a letter, we will examine the request, and we have forwarded it to the Home Department for further action.
All right. So this is the kind of hypocritical stand that has now been called out as far as now the former Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan against when it comes to protesting students and the action that has now been initiated against them. Thank you very much, Arpita, for joining us here on the broadcast. We head into a short break.